LinkedIn is one of the best social media networks out there. Why? Because it can drive a ton of leads to your business. I'm Nathaniel Bibby, and today I'm going to teach you about LinkedIn for financial services. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is create a LinkedIn profile. If you're using LinkedIn to get customers, you don't want to have a version of your CV uploaded. Fill out your profile. The more specific you are, the more likely you are to get leads. People can see what you do, and if they're interested in your services, they'll hit you up. If you're really vague about your role and expertise, no one's going to call you. The second thing you need to do is grow your network. Use the advanced search tool to drill down on specifics of your target market. You can use things like industry, job title, location, and make sure you're reaching out to second-degree connections. Second-degree connections are people that have a connection in common with you. Members that have a connection in common with you are more likely to respond to you and be interested in your services. Step 3, now it's time to start generating leads. To do that, we need to reach out to prospects. There's 2 ways that you can send messages to prospects on LinkedIn. Number 1, you can send them an email, which you have to pay to do, or you can connect with them first and then send them a message for free. If you use InMail, a good campaign will convert at 2 to 3%. But when you message existing connections, which is free, you can convert at 10 to 15%. So you're getting about 5 times the number of leads for the same amount of outreach. The fact that somebody knows somebody in common with you when you message them means they're more likely to respond favorably when you reach out to them. You've probably seen the messages that most marketers use. All you have to do is open up your LinkedIn inbox and you'll see them. They show very little interest in the person they're sending it to. They're not personalized and they're long, full of jargon. They come across impersonal and salesy. You want to make sure that your message does not come across like this. Make it personalized to the point and show interest in the person that you're sending it to. Show that you've taken the time to learn something about them. I was originally going to end the video here, but I've decided to throw in one more extra tip. The thing that makes a difference between somebody that has to meet 2 to 3 prospects to make a sale and somebody that has to meet 10 or 15 prospects to make a sale is one thing: social proof. Social proof is evidence that others have tried your product or service and had a good experience using it. Just like when you want to stay in a nice hotel and you look at TripAdvisor and you read the reviews and look at the ratings, people are doing the same on LinkedIn. There are 2 ways that you can build social proof on LinkedIn: recommendations and endorsements. Now, you can get endorsements by endorsing others in your network. They will reciprocate and others will endorse you back. LinkedIn even suggests that they endorse you once you've endorsed them. To get recommendations, you need to ask people that you've done business with to submit a recommendation on your profile. Most people are busy, so you want to make it really easy for them. Why don't you offer to help draft something up? That way you can focus on key character traits that you want to point out on your profile that you can be recommended for. One more thing you could do is help guide them to how to actually submit a recommendation on your profile. And that's how you generate financial services leads on LinkedIn.